The Thermapen Blue combines the acclaimed speed and accuracy of the Thermapen Mark IV with the convenience and safety of paperless HACCP recording. It works with your favorite safety-compliant software suite, or simply add your checklist food items as well as important yes-no compliance questions into the free ThermoWorks HACCP LE app. It's available in both the Apple and Google App Stores. The Thermapen Blue's accuracy to plus or minus 0.7 degrees Fahrenheit is well within FDA food safety accuracy specifications, so you know you are getting accurate temperature measurements. Set yes-no questions, enabling you to keep track of food safety and other operational tasks. Was the trash taken out? Were the floors mopped? With a reading speed of 2 to 3 seconds, move quickly from item to item, measuring temperatures and saving your readings to your custom checklist. Add recommended corrective actions for failed readings so your employees can choose what to do next. The HACCP LE app records what was done each time to increase your employees' accountability. From HACCP LE, you can export a PDF report of all your line checks to an email address or directly to your cloud storage for cross-organizational access. It's time to rid yourself of the headaches and paperwork associated with daily food safety line checks. Get true speed, accuracy, and accountability with the new Thermapen Blue and the free HACCP LE app.